The Mohs Ostentatienne Opera Sedan was a one-of-a-kind automobile created by inventor and businessman Bruce Mohs in 1967. Mohs, owner of the Mohs Seaplane Corporation in Madison, Wisconsin, decided to enter the luxury automobile market with a vehicle unlike anything else. Built on an International Harvester truck chassis with a 119-inch wheelbase, the Ostentatienne measured a massive 246 inches in length, 90 inches in width, and stood 69 inches tall. It weighed between 5,740 and 6,100 pounds, depending on configuration. One of the sedan's most unique features was its single, full-size rear door, which included part of the roof. This allowed passengers to walk upright into the cabin without stooping, enhancing dignity and ease of entry. Structural steel side rails replaced conventional side doors, dramatically increasing side impact protection. This configuration prioritized occupant safety at a time when automotive safety was still a developing field. The car was powered by either a standard 304 cubic inch V8 engine producing 250 horsepower or an optional 549 cubic inch V8 for even greater performance. Despite its massive dimensions, the seating capacity was surprisingly modest, but it offered lavish comfort. The interior featured genuine walnut dashboard inlays, carpets made of thick Chinese material, gold-plated instrument elements, and optional jewel-encrusted decor. Amenities included a refrigerator, a butane furnace, a hot water heater, sealed beam tail lamps, individually adjustable windshield wipers, 110 volts electrical outlets, and interior aisle lights, hinting at Mohs' background in aviation. The Ostentatienne Opera Sedan was priced at $19,600 United States dollars in 1967, more than 3 times the cost of a Jaguar E-Type at the time. Mohs intended to produce 3 units per year, but only one prototype was ever completed. Its extreme styling, overwhelming size, and astronomical price tag proved too ambitious for the market. After decades of obscurity, the sole Ostentatienne Opera Sedan resurfaced in 2009. Found in a garage, dusty but intact, it underwent a restoration project by students at 2 Wisconsin high schools. Today, it is preserved and displayed alongside the Mohs Safari car, another eccentric Mohs creation, at the historic Auto Attractions Museum in Roscoe, Illinois. The Mohs Ostentatienne Opera Sedan remains a fascinating footnote in automotive history, a symbol of boundless creativity, safety obsession, and sheer audacity. It anticipated trends like extravagant styling and SUV-based luxury long before they became mainstream, securing its place as one of the most unusual cars ever built.